Hi guys, welcome back to Clumsy Cakes. My name's Amy. So today's video is less of a recipe and more of an idea for a very quick homemade granola. So let's get started. This next part all depends on your preference. I really like big clusters of granola, so I'm not going to break it up that much. But if you like it in smaller pieces, then just go crazy and chop away. And in case you're wondering, it's separated because the batch on the left is for my mom who has diverticulitis, so she can have really small seeds. So I just took the hemp seeds out of that one. Everything else is the same. And that's it. Simple, huh? Just take this recipe as a template and play around. Put whatever you would like in it. You can use dried fruit, you can use chocolate chips, you could really anything. Popcorn, I don't know how that would be with like yogurt or things like that, but hey, try it out. If you like this one, don't forget to leave me a like down below, and if you have any suggestions for what you would like to see next, I would love to hear about those in the comments. Subscribe to make more messes with me, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!